I thank the Lord today for doing me, for being me. I'm so free and I see, yes, my people out of ignorance, they can't see. I swear to God, I'm on a mission, man. Words became flesh, I ain't the best, but I'ma do what I gotta do for my fans and rock that mic like I plan. I do this for the new school, for the old school, for the middle school. I'm so cool, and I'm loving the DJs for playing my tune. Real soon, we'll be on top of the charts like we supposed to be, representing y'all like we supposed to be. Sorry for the enemy who were in on me. I rip the G-O-D in the place to be, loving everybody, every word that I speak. Words became flesh, for it is written in the laws of the book, thou shalt not lie, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not murder, nor commit adultery. Put them to the test now and let them know we all man, made in the likeness in the images. So keep your images and I'ma praise God. Put in my work and I'ma praise God for opening my eyes each and every day. Now I'm in a better place, praising God every day. Down on my knees I pray, stop these killings, stop the disease, and Lord please, could you handle me, cause I'm a sinner and I have sinned, and Lord please forgive me for all I did. I confess with my mouth and I believe in my heart that everything that I say is gonna change the story. God, thy heart with all thy might, ponder the path of thy feet, establish thy way, and praise God. I'm praising God, cause from the start it was God put the sun in my heart. Walking my way, it ain't about to pay, but God's grace every day. What you know about the sun and the rain and the moon and the stars? God did it all, ain't no trouble in my way. I'm keeping my faith because oh my God, the blessed us.